Hello guys, Rice here, and today we're going to be doing another unboxing, except we aren't because I was gonna unbox these stainless steel keycaps, but my camera wasn't recording when I was unboxing it, so oh well. Normally like keycaps are made out of plastic, but these ones are steel, and they're really nice quality. They're by Team Wolf, if you guys have ever heard of them. As you guys can see, they are metal. Very nice. Also sounds pretty cool when you drop them. Real metal. Even comes with this really cool wire keycap holder. And we are going to replace the A and S switches because that's what I use for Osu. Let's see. Oh, I've gotta unplug my keyboard real quick. We got the A switch. And we got the S switch. Let me go ahead and pull the mic in. See if you guys can hear this. Compared to my normal keys, which sound like this. See, my normal keycaps are plastic, so they sound pretty like high pitched, but these metal ones have a nice thunk. They're thick boys. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get into some Osu, okay? So for some reason OBS couldn't record my live commentary when I was playing Osu, so I guess here's my short review of the steel keycaps and a recap of my very first week of playing Osu with a tablet. So in terms of the steel keycaps, they actually feel very nice. I know I've said this a lot of times, but because they're heavier, right, and more dense, they give, I'd say, a more positive feedback when tapping. Obviously, these keycaps are a luxury. They're not going to make me the best Osu player in the world. Yeah, that's not gonna happen for a very long time. Even if I do get pretty good at Osu, I'm definitely probably not gonna be the best at it. But I hope to get like at least top 5,000, maybe top 1,000 if I'm really trying and I really love the game. From my progress in 1 week with the tablet, I was able to resume progress that I had when I was just playing with the mouse, which was around 7 hours with the mouse. So right now I can clear like 3 to 3.5 star maps, and my average accuracy is a cool 85%. So yeah, I play Osu about like twice a day. In the morning I play for accuracy, so these are like, yeah, the maps I'm confident in, 3 to 3.5. I'm always trying to improve my accuracy and hopefully get some full combos on them. And then in the night, I play a bit less in the night, but I play maps that are outside my skill level, so around 4 stars. I'm not gonna lie, I am wondering how long I can play Osu like frequently until my wrists start hurting. And then here's just some gameplay of me playing Destiny 2 with them. So I do play a lot of shooters, and like I said for Osu, the feeling of the steel keycaps are very nice. They're heavy, they're dense, thick, solid. Surprisingly, you would think that steel keycaps are slippery, but at least for me, they actually feel more grippy. And this is nice because, you know how there's like rubber keycaps that make your keyboard look really gamery? Steel keycaps, they offer the same amount of grip, but they look a lot more like industrial, a lot more elegant. So yeah, that was just a short recap of my 1 week with Osu and a short review of these steel keycaps by Team Wolf. And finally, I know that this isn't content that most of you guys watch. Like, a lot of you guys came from my Superstar JYP videos. Or maybe it's because I took half a year break. But for those that still watch, I thank you guys very much, and I hope you guys look forward to my future videos. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see everyone later. Peace out.